Welcome to the iLife V3S Max product demonstration video. Get ready to discover your new favorite cleaning assistant. I'll show you the impressive iLife V3S Max robotic vacuum and mopping system. Let's explore how this advanced cleaning robot can transform your home cleaning routine. To start with, let's open the box and see everything that's included in the package. First, the V3S Max cleaning robot itself. It has a thin body that measures 76 mm in height. A charging dock for the iLife V3S Max to charge. The charging adapter is also included in the box. It is suggested to charge the iLife V3S Max for the first 8 hours for better battery performance in long run. A remote to control the V3S Max cleaning robot. One reusable mopping cloth for efficient mopping, a water tank and a dust tank, 3 disposable dust bags for V3S Max cleaning robot, 2 pair of the side brushes for cleaning even the dirt in those corners, 2 HEPA filters for better air filtration, a convenient cleaning tool for easy maintenance, and a user manual to guide you through setup and operation. To fill in the water for mopping functionality, just open the lid of the water tank and fill it up with tap water. Please avoid using any disinfectants in this. Then attach the mopping cloth correctly for the best mopping experience. Let's start the iLife V3S Max cleaning robot and see all that it offers. To turn on the robot, you can simply open the top of the robot and find the switch here. You can simply see a button in the front of the V3S Max robot. You can use this button to stop or start the robot to start cleaning. Smart operations and navigations. The gyroscope navigation improves the V3S Max cleaning efficiency by 30%. The V3S Max maps the best cleaning routes and cleans in a zigzag pattern to make sure all the area on the floor is clean. The anti-collision feature makes sure that your V3S Max does not hit any of your objects in the way, and cliff sensor makes sure that robot doesn't fall from a height and damage itself. Additionally, the slim and sleek design makes sure that the robot cleans effortlessly around furniture and other obstacles on its path. Make sure your house is cleaned thoroughly. Simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. The iLife V3S Max is a cleaning robot that is capable of vacuuming and mopping at the same time. It has a 600 ml disposable dust bag, ensuring a long uninterrupted cleaning time, and a 200 ml water tank. You can also choose to not mop and only vacuum your floors based on your needs. Multiple cleaning modes. The V3S Max offers multiple cleaning modes, making this an amazing cleaning robot that caters to different cleaning needs. The auto mode on the robot is an excellent option for cleaning large areas, while the spot mode is better for cleaning smaller areas using maximum suction. Other than this, the edge mode focuses on cleaning those corners and edges of your house, and the max mode increases the suction for those floors that need some hard cleaning. Long cleaning time. Equipped with a dust bag of 1000 ml and a 600 ml disposable dust tank, the V3S Max is capable of uninterrupted cleaning for up to 30 days. The dustbin can be easily removed from the robot for cleaning purposes. The dust bags are also easily swappable, which makes the maintenance of this robot really simple. Also, the 3-stage filtration system in the dustbin makes sure to capture debris of different sizes, enhancing the performance. Suction power. The V3S Max has a robust suction functionality, helps the cleaning robot to easily clean dirt, debris, pet hair, and more from the floor and carpets alike. This robot is also an expert in pet hair cleaning, making the lives of pet owners so much easier. Voice assistance. The iLife V3S Max can be paired with Google Home or Amazon Alexa. This helps you control the robot easily with your voice. You can easily start or stop the robot with simple voice commands. 3 water adjustment types. The V3S Max has 3 distinct water adjustment options, making the robot available for various floor mopping and cleaning needs. The adjustments can categorize as gentle, medium, and strong water flow settings, and they allow you to change the water flow based on the type of floor and the amount of cleaning required. Customized schedule. With the customizable schedule feature, you can schedule the cleaning for the V3S Max cleaning robot. So whether you are at office desk or peacefully sleeping, the robot makes sure to get your house cleaned at the scheduled time. You can also choose the cleaning frequency according to your needs, whether it's every day, every other day, or a specific day that you want. Extended runtime. The big battery in the V3S Max helps it run for extended runtime, enabling the robot to clean for longer periods. Moreover, the V3S Max cleaning robot is capable of returning to the charging dock by itself when the battery level is low. Maintenance. Make sure that the V3S Max works best with these simple maintenance steps. Wipe and clean the charge pin on the robot and charging dock with a dry cloth. 3 clip sensors with a tissue or cloth to remove any dust. Use a dry cloth and periodically wipe the sensors in the robot. Check the nose wheel regularly for any trapped hair and clean it thoroughly. Remove and clean the side brushes regularly to prevent hair tangling. Wash the mopping cloth attached to the base when needed. Clean the water tank by draining the water in the tank and then air drying it. Clean the dust tank by using the cleaning tool. You can clean the dust tank weekly for optimal performances. Tap the HEPA filter to remove dust and do not use water to clean HEPA filter. iLife Home app. Let us now connect to the V3S Max to the iLife Home app and take a look at the controls and feature. Download and register on the iLife Home app. Turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then select iLife Home. Connect to our 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Turn on the iLife V3S Max and follow the in-app instructions for pairing. Using the iLife Home app, you can use the V3S Max to its full potential. Let's take a look at the features you can use with the app now. Use different cleaning modes like Max, Edge and Spot for specific cleaning tasks. Set up customizable cleaning schedules that suit your needs. Check cleaning history and do maintenance when needed. Control water volume and suction levels as required. Connect your V3S Max to Google Home and Amazon Alexa for easy voice control. Get notifications and updates. Thank you for watching the video to learn about iLife V3S Max robotic vacuum and mopping system. The iLife V3S Max will be a perfect cleaning helper, so you don't have to worry about dirt anymore in your house, as it will handle it all for you.